Hello folks, this is your friendly neighborhood bartender again. Today as usual I'm going to show you guys a classic cocktail and it's called Tequila Sunrise. Let me go through the ingredient, and as usual we will have the cheapest ingredient to go in first. 120 ml of freshly squeezed orange juice. Pour it into a cooling glass which is full of ice. Next, 10 ml of Grenadine Juice. Okay. For this, we shall pour it slowly into the cooling glass. Last but not the least, 60 ml of the base spirit, which is the tequila. ml. Another 10 more mils. Of course, we need to have the sun. Okay, of course you can use a freshly cut orange. For this case, I decided to use a dehydrated orange. Save the turtle instead of the usual straw. Let's have a stainless steel straw. Put it in, and voila! This is your Tequila Sunrise. The sun and the rice. Of course, before you drink it, you need to give it a quick stir. Peace out.